Fourth grader Gabriel Brooks' education experience at Bishop McCort Catholic Elementary School in Johnstown is soaring.
I just like to try to, when the first day we were just trying the drones out, we got to fly all around the drone, and then we got to do obstacle courses with them, and it was really fun.
Brooks is talking about the integration of drone technology as part of the school's STREAM program. His classmate, Harper Bear, is equally excited.
We fly them, and he does obstacle courses, and we go round and round on the obstacle courses, and it's just really fun flying.
Brooks and Bear are among the McCort Elementary students who completed the Recreational UAS Safety Test, or TRUST, ensuring that drone operators understand core safety practices and federal regulations governing unmanned aircraft systems. As a result of completing the test, each student received a TRUST certificate issued by the Federal Aviation Administration and required for all drone pilots in the United States. State Senator Wayne Langerholtz Jr. was on hand to present the certificates to the students right before Christmas.
So there's so many things. I'm so glad to see so many people taking advantage of this. And as you get older, as you go through school, stay active with that. And there's so many opportunities that we have at the airport here and with different businesses and collaboration. And I applaud your educators for seeing this vision and collaborating with everyone.
Bishop McCort's initiative to expand drone and aviation education reflects the school's desire to prepare students for emerging technology fields and aligns with Cambria County's goal to position the region as a national hub for aviation and drone innovation.
Drone technology is important. It's just technology is coming up on the horizon. It's coming here. It's already here in Cambria County. And drone technology provides opportunities for our young students, another area where they can grow a career in. I've spoken about this before. A lot of moms and dads, to keep them as a family, they want them to stay in the area. And what a better way to do it than train or get their interest into that technology and keep them here in Cambria County where they can be with their families and get good paying jobs.
The successful completion of the test and the certificate presentation were the culmination of weeks of work for the students. The achievements enjoyed by these McCort students are truly cutting edge, and according to Diocesan Director of Education Dr. Joanne Semko, the opportunities soon will not just be limited to Bishop McCort.
What our kids are learning here will take them into the future like you will not believe. Jobs right out of high school, six-figure jobs. The ability to do things the kids before them didn't even dream about doing. I said this has opened avenues for our kids that are absolutely monumental. And the fact that we have third, fourth, fifth, and sixth graders doing it, unheard of across the United States. We are the first and only at this point. The good part is, though, Mr. Seeger has already talked to all of our administrators back a couple months ago. By next school year, all of our elementary schools will also be involved in this program. So we're going to spread it the whole ways across the diocese. We will have kids coming out of our high schools ready to be pilots, ready to be drone engineers, possibly going into mechanics on airplanes, things of that sort. And they need about 700,000 of these people across the United States. So jobs are, without question, in their hands if they want them.